Hello viewers, hello Zimbabwe. Maswera say. Very good evening. So I'm back so that we discuss politics in the nation of Zimbabwe. And the police of Zimbabwe, I believe that they are afraid of the men who caused the havoc in Chitungwiza, in Nyatsime. My belief is that they are afraid of him. Why are they afraid? Is because he is linked to the top brass of ZANU PF. So I'm going to play the video. Then we are going to describe the character of this man and the character of the people who sent him, so that as Zimbabweans we find solutions to our problems.
It's a ZANU PF territory. Naizvozvo funeral yaitika iyi ndaona kuti ndiri kuda kupoliticizwa zvisiri zvinoenderana nezvatinofamba nazvo munomu sakansela weZANU PF. Taurira vana vedu veZANU PF kuti on this funeral we don't want regalia, and vana vedu veZANU PF vatevera zvatataura. Saka patasvika pano panzvimbo tasvika pane vakapfeka regalia yeCCC. Saka we had decided kuti funeral ileadwe nechurch. But tichiti isusu kana wakapfeka uniform yako yeRoma, yeHwistiri, yePostori, ndozvaunopfeka. No political songs paarea pedu. But after that tadiscussa izvozvo taona tisiri kuwirirana. Saka inini ward chairman, the councillor of the area, ndazovataurira kuti ndini baba wemusha unoyu. Musha unoyu ndeweZANU PF. In this case handichabvumiri kuti funeral iitwe musha mangu zvakangofanana nekumusha.
So basically, if you were listening to this man speaking, you can actually see that this man is lost. This is the foundation of our problems in the political cycles in the nation of Zimbabwe, where people who come from ZANU PF, they feel that they are entitled to victimizing other people. They feel that they can do whatever they want. And our police seems powerless to deal with them. Our police seems to be so much afraid of the people of this caliber. So number one, this man says mumusha mangu muno, which means everybody who is supposed to do anything cannot do without freedom. Ahead, you cannot do anything. And in this case, the person who died belonged to CCC, which is a political party. It is not allowed for you to bar people from money, whether Zigure, whether my politicians, whether the church. You cannot dictate to people how they should mourn their beloved one. So you can actually see that that was the first point. They believe that the opposition is not allowed in ZANU PF won territories. Why? These are the people who have failed to understand the constitution. These are people who are councillors but do not know their roles and responsibilities. When you are a councillor, when you assume your office as a councillor, you remove the political party jacket. The moment you become the councillor in an area, you remove the political party jacket and you begin to represent everybody. When you are representing everybody, you have to announce, you have to know or expect other people from other political parties. You have to expect them in your area. You have to expect people to come and challenge you politically. You have to see people from Ndu, from Zoom, from CCC, from MDC. You have to see them flocking area. And these are the people who are going to hold you accountable. These are the people who are going to keep you on your toes, who are going to make you deliver. But this means they use force, they use violence to solve anything. So nobody is allowed to challenge these people. They are the champions, yet they cannot deliver service delivery. They can't. So the police is so much afraid to deal with these people. It's so much afraid to arrest these people. And they have resorted to the arrest of people like Honorable Jobska. They've resorted to the arrest of the opposition people. Everybody who speaks against ZANU PF, who speaks against the ruling party, is victimized, is arrested. Yet people like this man, who clearly barred people from a funeral, who clearly violated the constitutional rights of other people, because it is my constitutional right to go and attend a funeral yamo blessing army. Zvandaenda ndakapfeka does not matter to anybody, because there is no law which prohibits anybody to wear regalia in the nation of Zimbabwe. So long it's not 300 meters close to a polling station, I have to wear my regalia wherever I want. That is the law. So I am not going to the army barracks. I'm not going to the state house or whatsoever. I'm going to a funeral in Nyatsime and I'm bad to wear a regalia. Who does that? In a democratic Zimbabwe where the constitution is followed, we would have seen this man being arrested immediately. He was supposed to be arrested immediately. These are the people who caused the Nyatsime violence, but the police cannot face them. These are the people who probably organized the burning of houses, the ZANU, the Triple C, because we have households which were burned down. But the police has not investigated, the police has not given a report regarding the houses which were burnt down in Nyatsime. And the question is, are we having a police which is not biased? No, they are biased towards somebody else. They cannot arrest these people. Taurai Kandishaya issued threats on Dedi Hope's property. What did the police do? A police report was made, a letter was written to the police by Dedi Hope's lawyer. Police said nothing. They kept quiet. Why? It's ZANU PF. Taurai Kandishaya, Tinashe Jonasi, they held a seminar in Harare where they clearly said they were going to employ and deploy violence to win 2023 elections. It's on record. It's on record. They held a seminar and they were telling youths that the only way is to be violent. What did the police do? Nothing. So you can actually see that this issue of our police is something of concern, because you cannot be quiet, you cannot be silent on such important matters. But let somebody from CCC just make a video. You see loads and loads and loads of riots. You see police deploying whatever they have to make sure that that person is arrested. They deployed over 70 people to go and arrest Job Sikala. While they couldn't arrest the Nyatsime men. This is the men they would have deployed the war camp to arrest. Why? The ZANU PF militia was going to support him or to defend him. Citizens of Zimbabwe, this is the reason why we must register to vote. This is the reason why we must take voting seriously in the nation of Zimbabwe. Why? The perpetrator of violence in the Nyatsime area is walking scot-free. The people who caused the menace, the chaos in Nyatsime, they are walking scot-free. Yet our comrades are languishing in prison. Yet our comrades are in prison each and every day. They are being victimized each and every day. They are under harsh conditions each and every day. Yet the perpetrators of violence are walking scot-free. So the report we got is that the police said that man who promised Advocate Nelson Chamisa that they want to kill him, that man who called supporters to kill Advocate Nelson Chamisa, we got information that nobody is willing to deal with him. That is the situation. So Team Zimbabwe, let's register to vote. Let's make sure that 2023 we don't miss, because if we miss it, tinopera. Honestly, tinopera. Let's register to vote and be prepared to vote for change.